Hello students, today we are going to see this well foundation part. Types of well. Types of well. Wells have different shapes and accordingly they are named as the following. So you can see here, so first classification or types according to shape and form. So as you can see here the different diagrams. So this is the circular well, dumbbell, double D, double octagonal, single or double rectangular or multiple trace type. So you can see here a single and rectangular or multiple trace type. According to material used for the construction, wooden, steel or reinforced concrete. Classification according to shape in cross section. See, as you can see, if I see this is a circular one, then I can take the cross section here. So this will be a cylindrical. Here the cylindrical with the enlarged base. The base is enlarged here. Conical type of well can be provided. So it is having the larger diameter at the base and smaller at the top here like this. Or conical with the enlarged base. Again it is a conical, but at the same time you can find the diameter is increased at the base here. Classification according to cutting edge type. So it may be a cutting edge with reinforced concrete or with a steel edge here. Advantages. Advantages are, so large diameter can be extended up to the large depth. So similar to piles, but it is also very shorter. If large bearing capacity of soil is in between 3 to 7 meter, it can be a very effective. If loads are not too large, but upper 3 to 7 meters of soil is not appropriate, can be applied effectively. Cost of construction is relatively less on bed level or lower side. Disadvantages. Since the placing of concrete is done for the concrete seal underwater, it may not be satisfactory. If any obstruction of builders or logs are encountered, then the progress of work becomes slow. Through the cleaning and inspection at the bottom of the casing is very difficult and hence not possible. The help of divers may be required for the excavation near the punches or at the cutting edge. So in this part we are going to already seen. First is the classification based on the different concept and advantages and disadvantages of the well foundation. So here advantages says, so it is very effective if the length is very shorter and loads are more. If loads are larger, then we cannot go for the in very soft soil, but for medium to hard soil it is very effective. So at that time you can see the cost of construction will be very less. So what are the disadvantages? So most of the time the disadvantages are with respect to the construction methodology or construction related problems here. So you can see here underwater construction or any obstructions, boulders, blocks will cause the hurdles of the construction of the well here. Most of the time cleaning and inspection at the bottom casing is required. Divers may be required near the punches or cutting edges. So these are some disadvantages.